Welcome back to Great Day, my friends. Easy weeknight dinners are an absolute must when busy families are part of the equation, right? And that's where Alexandra Caspero comes in this morning. She's got a recipe that she says is going to be easy peasy for all of us. How are you?
Easy peasy. I'm good.
Welcome back to the Great Day Kitchen. Nice to have you here.
Yes. So we're making my spicy salsa verde soup. This is a really easy weeknight dinner. It comes together so quickly using inexpensive pantry staples like canned beans, jarred salsa, and broth.
That's the beauty of this.
That's
because
the beauty of
I'm
this.
telling you, there's not a person alive that says, boy, I've got all the spare time in the world to sit down in the kitchen and make dinner for the family.
Especially healthy, easy meals that everyone's going to enjoy.
So
I've got 2 young kids.
Yep.
I know.
Yeah, no, I sympathize. All right, so how do we get started?
All right, so in my pot here, I've already sautéed 1 zucchini, a half an onion, a Yukon Gold potato, and a few garlic cloves. Going to get that nice and softened.
Okay.
We're going to add in some plant-based protein and fiber. I've got 2 cans of S&W chickpeas. I'm going to add in here, and then I'm also going to add in 1 can of hominy. If you don't know what hominy is,
I haven't had hominy for a long time.
Yeah, or if you can't find it, you can also sub in canned corn, but I love the combination of hominy and beans.
And if you're not aware, hominy is used kind of as a substitute for corn a lot, but it is a natural, it's a plant-based product.
Yes, exactly. And then we're going to add in 1 jar of salsa verde.
Wow, so that's your broth, basically.
That's your broth. That's a lot of the seasoning. We're also going to add in some veggie broth, but that's it. So we're going to simmer this for about 10-15 minutes, and then you can enjoy this as a soup if you like, but what I like to do is kind of make this more like a chowder. So what I do after I sort of stir this all together, simmer it, is I take my immersion blender, blend about 2 cups or so. That's going to make this a really thick soup that's almost like a chili. And then that's it here. You can enjoy that with some cilantro on top. My husband likes to top it with sour cream and with cheese and kind of make it like more of a chili, but I love also lots of fresh lime. So again, super easy. This one is less than 300 calories per serving. It's packed with plant-based protein, with fiber, with veggies, all of the good stuff that I think a lot of us are trying to eat more of this time of year.
That answered my next question, which is how healthy is this?
Yeah,
Clearly,
exactly. Well, and especially if you're looking for sort of, different recipes that you want to try with your family, but also centered on the foods that we know we all need to eat more of, plant-based proteins, vegetables.
Well, I told you when we were in the commercial break, I have a 10-year-old at home who is a vegetarian, and Mom and I thought, oh, this is going to last 2 weeks. 2 years later.
Yeah, well, and I also bet that you guys are eating healthier because of it.
Absolutely. And he's old enough now to have like 1 cook night where he's kind of responsible for the menu.
Oh, I love that.
So I can guarantee you, like
this is going to be on the menu.
Pull into the fold.
Well,
Alexandra,
and look, 20 minutes, that's it.
I know, that was easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and ingredients that maybe you don't use a lot, but trust me, these are on the shelves at Schnucks and Deerbergs and everywhere locally. Alexandra, thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Good stuff. You can find this segment on our website, KMOV/Great Day, right after the show. Kent, back over to you.
Who knew? See,
Easy.
I thought Hominy and Beans was a 60s folk group.
Well, that too. Yeah. Right up there with parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme.
That's right.
All right. Always fun when Alex comes to town. Thank you.